In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type on a Docusign document, a process that should take you just about 5 minutes. Docusign is one of the most popular platforms for electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, and knowing how to efficiently utilize its features can be a game changer. So let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Docusign website. Docusign is renowned for its intuitive interface and robust security features, making it the top choice for electronic signatures. Once you are on the homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will prompt you to enter your login credentials, your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by following the on-screen instructions. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Docusign homepage. This is your central hub where you can manage all your documents and templates. From here, you'll want to locate and select a template. Templates in Docusign help streamline repetitive document processes as they come with pre-filled information which you can customize. Once you've selected the appropriate template, the following step is to add specific details relevant to your current document or contract. Pay close attention while entering this information, as accuracy is crucial in any business or legal agreement. After filling in the necessary details, look for the Next button, which is typically located at the bottom or top corner of your screen. Clicking Next will transition you to the document preparation phase. Here, you're ready to add text to your document. In the toolbar or menu that appears, find and select the Text option. This feature allows you to input text fields into your document, essential for filling in parts of the form that require direct input, such as names, addresses, or any personal message, or additional information you might want to include. Navigating these steps might seem a bit daunting initially, but remember, the more you use the platform, the more familiar and faster you'll become. It's important to ensure all text entries are correctly positioned and formatted as needed to maintain the document's professional appearance. Once you've added all your text, you can proceed to finalize and send the document, utilizing Docusign's secure and efficient delivery system. And there you have it, a quick guide to typing on a Docusign document. As you can see, this process is pretty straightforward, and with just a little practice, you'll be managing your online documents like a pro. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other tutorials for more tips and tricks on using Docusign effectively.